Welcome to my channel. This is Nora's TV. So I'm about to show you how to make a bridal umbrella. Okay, these are my materials. This is my umbrella. This is my hot glue. This is my feathers. This is my scissors. This is my scissors. Okay, so let's start. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Okay, so and this is my material also. This is the material I'm going to use to cover it. So if you get your umbrella, make sure you buy the one that does not have enough spoke. Like this one is about 8. You start by cutting it, opening it. Some people do remove everything entirely, but you see that you end up stressing yourself. So I'm going to be cutting it like this. I don't know if you can, if you understand. I'm going to be cutting off the material. Cut it round. So this is it. You cut off like this. Just remove. Make sure you remove this entirely. Okay. So I'm done peeling off the material. Now I'm going to bring my own material. This is the skeleton of the umbrella. As you can see, using this part. Okay, so I'm going to cut here open. Please, you take your measurements first. Okay, take your measurements first before you start cutting, because I'm going to be fixing it inside this one. I'm going to cut here open, just small, where I can fix it inside. Are you seeing that? Then I'll place it. I will use my gum to apply my gum from here down on top of the iron, then place my material to gum. Okay. So I will apply my hot glue bit by bit. You place gently, please, so that it won't look rough. You place gently so that it won't look rough. Place gently. Just continue this procedure. I'll continue this procedure. Just be going round. Until I get to this point. Please, can you see what I'm doing? Until I get to this point, I'll place, then turn. When I'm done placing these parts, I will turn over and do the same thing here. I will turn over and do the same thing on this part. So I had to gum down this one, the first one and the second one. So when I am done gumming it down, please, so that for it to be straight, I have to cut it out. Okay, I have to trim out. I have to trim it out so that I'll place it in another part. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I have to trim out so that I'll place it in another part. Okay. After that, I'm going to do the same thing I did when I'm placing the first one. I'm going to cut open this part. I'll first of all measure it. Okay, so that it will correspond with the first one I did. I will cut open this part, just little. Okay, I will fix it from here. I'll fix it from here, then place it on it, then hold it down with my hot glue. Hold it down with my hot glue. I'm going to hold down with my hot glue. Just like that. I'm going to hold down all with my hot glue. Okay. Just till the end. Can you see what I did? Then I will gum the second one. Okay, I'm going to apply my hot glue to hold down the second one. Just you continue this procedure just like that. You keep going until you're done. See, I'm gumming the second one. So you continue it like. So I'm done gumming it round. I'm done gumming my material. The next thing now is for me to start trimming. I have to start trimming off this part. I have to start trimming. Hope you can see me. So when I'm done trimming, I will apply my hot glue to hold down this part. Okay, I'm done holding this part, so this is the part I'm going to hold down now. So when I apply my gum, just little, just apply it just little so that it won't be much. You hold down just like that. You go. I hold down just like that. So when I'm done gumming it round, okay, when I'm done gumming it round, holding it down, when I'm done holding it down round, I will place it this way and start trimming. Can you see me? I'll start trimming here. Okay, I will trim round to get a nice shape. Then I'll also trim this part. Trim it off a little, just for it to be straight. I'm also trimming this part for it to be straight. So when I'm done trimming, I will now use my trimming cord to cover the excess. I'll use my trimming cord to cover the excess. Okay. So when I finished my trimming, this is what I removed from the umbrella from here. So I'm going to fix it back. So what I will do is I will apply my hot glue round it. Then I fix it back to lap on. I will press it down to still be the same way it was when I removed the umbrella, the material. So after that, I'm going to be covering that rough part now with my, can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to be covering the rough part with this trimming cord. I'm going to cover it round to cover this part. Okay, so I'm done with that. Can you see? I'm done with that. So I'll be placing my trimmings on this part. I'll be placing my trimmings on this part. Gently, please. Make sure it's neat. So that is what I will do round. That is what I will do round everywhere. Okay, that is what I will do round to cover the rough edges. Okay, As you can see, I'm done gumming it round with my trimming cord to cover the excess. So what I'm going to do now is to still cover this part. I'm going to cover it with my feathers. I'm not going to use trimming cord, so I'm going to use my feathers to design this part. Okay, let's use this. I'll use my trimming cord to gum round. Then when I'm done, I will now use the feathers. I think it will be better that way. So let me go round. Okay, hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Let me go round. Then when I'm done, so I'm done. As you can see, I'm done covering this part with my trimming cord. So the next step is for me to start placing my feathers. Okay, the next step is for me to start placing my feathers. So please, you can place your feathers before covering it with your trimmings, but look at the way I'm doing mine. I'm fixing it inside the trimmings. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. I'm fixing it inside the trimmings. Okay, that is how I'm doing now. So that is what I will do round. And cover every part. So this is it. I am done with our beautiful design. This is it. I'm done gumming my feathers. You can do it anyhow you want. Okay, you can still make it full than this one. You can still place it anyhow you want. If you want to design all the body with feathers, you can do it. So this is how mine is. Thank you very much for joining me. So this is it. I am done. I'm through. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. If you still have any comments, please drop at the comment section. Thank you very much.